Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Alright, dude and dudettes, we're back with the bat. Oh, when I got that bad boy cleaned up, look how clean that front end is looking. Sheesh, yes, but anyway, we're back with the bat. We're about to install the Brock's window lowering link and adjustable kickstand because we got to get that stance going. So right now, I got the bike on the kickstand. This looks to be a really easy process. We're undoing this bolt, and we're just going to support the bike under here for the weight. But this really shouldn't be bad. So let's go ahead and jump into it, and I'll get back with y'all once I got all the parts. Yeah, buddy, gotta admit, Brock's makes some really good looking pieces. But I don't think this is gonna take that long, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump into it. Just gonna support the bike right under the, from the oil pan. Don't take much, just trying to get the weight off of the rear end. And a 17 sprocket. Something on a quick note here, guys. I had to loosen the lower fairing so I can get a little space, and I'm using an extension so I can get to this bolt that's on the other side. And I'm hoping it. Take it and cut the camera off. I'm hoping it's showing through. But this bolt right there, that's what I'm getting to, which is a 10mm. So I'm gonna loosen that, and then we should be good to go to release a little bit more pressure off the bike, and then get these bolts out and get the lowering link in. Should be able to knock these out now. Get my hammer, exhaust, and see. So it looks like we got bolts hitting here and right here. So I'm gonna try dropping the exhaust and see what that does. Now, if you have aftermarket exhaust, you probably won't have to worry about this. Dang it, dude and dudettes. I had the camera off, but I got the front bolt out, and then I lowered the bike down, and now that's gonna allow me to get this back bolt out. Now this whole thing comes out. Just wanna make sure you keep the washers how they had them. So we're gonna come over here, get the washers, get this bearing out. Well, this is a new bearing, so I shouldn't have to grease it. I'm greasing it. Go ahead and lube it up just to make sure. We're gonna pop it in on that side. Literally want to mimic what was done in stock form. Now we're just going to repeat the process. So what I do, I just have it equal to stock height, and now we're gonna put it in. Let's line up. Reel was in. Put the little lock nut on there. Just gonna raise the bike until it lines up with this. You see, you should see it making its way to line up. And I gotta clean this exhaust too. I haven't cleaned, lube, nothing since I got the bike. You can see, I hope it's showing on camera. Right there seems pretty daggum lined up. So now I'm gonna get the other bolt in from the other side. Boom shakalaka, just like that. Hope that came through on camera. But just like that, lowering link is installed. So what I'm gonna do is I'll button everything back up. Then we will do the kickstand, and then we'll adjust the height. So the front is going to be a 14. There we go. Bam. And just like that, we got a kickstand installed. Just gotta tighten everything down. And you don't want this too tight, otherwise your kickstand won't move. Should be good. Good clean operation. Now what I am gonna miss this little rod on the side, because that makes it extremely easy getting your kickstand down. So I'm gonna be looking to lower the rear 2 inches. All right, dude, do that. So we're about to adjust the link. The longer the link gets, the shorter the bike gets. So you're gonna notice as I adjust the link, you're gonna see this rear start dropping. So we're going for a 2-inch drop initially. We're gonna go 2 1/4 up front and then 2 exactly in the rear. So I'm just gonna find me a place to get a measurement. I'm at 41. Let's take a measurement and see where we at. I'm showing I'm a little bit above 39. So we still got some ways to go. Let's keep on dropping. Let's see where we are. It's looking good though. Just gonna lock these nuts in, which should be a 19. So don't have to go gorilla. Don't have to go gorilla, but you definitely want to make sure it's tight. All right, dude, and do that. And that's the lowering link installed. We're gonna move up front, get the front lowered, and we'll see where we at after that. I made a video on how to lower the front before, but it really shouldn't be that bad. Of course, you got your triple tree, you got your clip-ons, and I don't know if you can see, you got you got 2 bolts. 1, 2 on that side and another 2 on the other side. Sheesh. They got that on there. And I even doubt I doubt it's supposed to be that daggone tight. Holy crap. That is pinched on the forks. Wow. I know Ducati's nowhere near that tight. Sheesh. Sorry, my camera went dead. But this is the last bolt I need to loosen. And then my front should start to slowly drop. Now I have the front of the bike supported through a jack that's underneath, and my measurement I'm looking for, it's 3 1/8 will give me exactly 2 1/4 from what this was. So we're just gonna slowly. All right. So this side is moving and this side isn't moving. So let me get my rubber mallet. Right now I'm sitting at 2 3/4 and 2 3/4 on both sides. So I'm just gonna drop it down. We're looking for 3 1/8. See that puts me? All right, see what that looks like. We still got some room to go. All right, see what this looks like. Almost there. Almost there, dude. Still got plenty of space. Almost there. Let's see what that looks like. So that's exactly 2 inches. This one is exactly 2 inches. This is exactly 2 1/4. So since this is exactly 2 1/4, I'm gonna lock this side in. Hey, yo, Dude and Dudettes, please forgive my daggum camera. But it overheated again. But literally, this is the end of the process. Once you get the desired height that you want for your bike, front and rear, literally just lock the bolts back in and you're done.
I could not take how much I'm loving this Gixxer, bro. It is so good. It is so good. Yeah, no, I always got to come through Red Top, my favorite test ground. All right, man, let's see what you got. And this is lower, 2 1/4. Yes, sir. Feeling good, bro. This Gixxer is really amazing me, bro. Like, it has me speechless how good it is. Cause I'm just like, that's crazy, man. This bike is making me realize, bro, you gotta make up your own opinion, bro. Because people be straight up lying or they be hating. This Gixxer is actually amazing, bro. It is freaking amazing. It is really good. It is good. It holds the line. It ain't jittering on me. It's good and plenty of power to come out the corners. Got that torque, got that mid-range. I mean, I don't even, dude, it's good. Really good. I mean, eating these turns, like, just eating them. Like, and there's more, because I don't know what it looks like on video, but it's not like I'm pushing it. This bike is good, bro. This is a good bike. Woo, this is a good bike, bro. I am not left speechless that much. Now, it's not one good thing that, just listen to me. It's not one thing that stands out like, oh my God, this is the best in the world. But this bike is so good because everything works together. I don't feel like it's overpowered. I don't feel like it's underpowered. I don't feel like it turns in too fast. I don't feel like it turns in too slow. Like, this is, dude, this is the porridge just right. Holy crap. It's not so you know what I'm trying to say. It's not so daggum advanced with technology that is disconnected from the riding experience. Like, you still feel like you're riding a bike. Oh man, it's pretty dope. It's pretty daggum dope. I can't even lie. Red Top goodness, man. This never gets old, bro. I can ride this every day. It never gets old to me, bro. Jump on the bike, throw the cares of the world away, bro. Love it. So yeah, I just wanted to really test out how the bike handled being lowered. And it's exactly the same, bro. It's exactly the same. A lot of people will have you thinking you ruined your bike because you lowered it. That's not the case. Solid. 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 I got no complaints, bro. My thing when I set my bike up, like I said in another video, I am not a roll racer. I don't consider myself a roll racer. Now, do I play around with it? Will I talk some smack with some of my close friends? Yes, I will. But am I a roll racer? No, I am not a roll racer. I'm an everyday rider. I am a commuter. What I want is my bike to still do what I love best, which are mountain roads and back roads. As long as I can do that, I'm good with the setup. A lot of people think, oh, Mungus, you are a roll racer, you lower your bike for roll racing. No, I don't. I lower my bike because it just looks good. I am all about scrumdiddly. Anyone that knows me, you know the channel, I am all about scrumdiddly, bro. What's most important? Scrumdiddly. And do I like a little speed? I do like a little speed. Heck yeah, I do. But scrumdiddly is most important. But anyway, I'm gonna finish enjoying this ride home. Y'all keep rocking with me while I get the bat together. We gonna get Batman together, bro. And I'm telling you, fear. That's what everybody's gonna have, bro. Sheesh. But man, y'all keep rocking with your boy. You know what it is. One shot, dead shot. Dude Mungus.
No monkey. Thank you for watching, dude. No monkey. No monkey. Thank you for watching, dudes. No monkey.